Are you the best projectors for murals? Projectors for murals have become increasingly popular among artists, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners seeking to create large-scale visuals, whether for artistic purposes or entertainment. These devices allow users to project images onto walls or canvases, enabling precise tracing, immersive home theater setups. Product 1. TMY Mini Projector. The TMY Mini Projector is a budget-friendly option that offers solid performance for its price. It features native 720p resolution with 1080p support, Bluetooth 5.1 for audio connectivity, and a portable projector screen included. With a maximum image size of 220 inches and a contrast ratio of 5,000:1, it promises a decent viewing experience for home cinema or gaming. Its compact size and built-in speaker make it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. While testing, the TMY projector delivered good image quality for casual use, but its native resolution falls short for detailed product. HapRun Native 1080p Bluetooth Projector. The HapRun projector stands out with its native 1080p resolution, making it ideal for users who prioritize image clarity. Its Bluetooth 5.1 functionality allows seamless audio pairing with external speakers or headphones, while its built-in hi-fi stereo speakers provide decent sound for smaller spaces. With support for screen sizes up to 200 inches, it's versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. It also offers multiple installation methods, including ceiling, desktop, and tripod setups. During testing, the HapRun projector impressed with its sharp visuals and vibrant colors, making it a great choice for detailed mural work or immersive movie nights. Product 3. Artograph EZ Tracer Opaque Art Projector for Wall, or the Artograph EZ Tracer, is designed specifically for artists and muralists, offering a unique approach to image projection. Unlike digital projectors, it uses optical glass lenses to enlarge flat artwork by 2 to 10 times onto walls or canvases. It requires a dark room for optimal performance and does not include a light bulb, necessitating an LED bulb purchase. This lightweight, silent projector is ideal for tracing and reproducing artwork. While the EZ Tracer excels in its niche use case, it falls short in versatility compared to digital projectors. Its reliance on a dark environment. Product number. Mini Projector. The Cloco Mini Projector offers impressive brightness, 9,000 lux, and native 1080p resolution, making it a strong contender in this price range. Its compact design and lightweight build, 1.58 pounds, enhance portability, and its built-in hi-fi stereo speakers deliver clear audio. The projector supports screen sizes up to 180 inches and features advanced LED technology for vibrant visuals. In testing, the Cloco projector delivered sharp, colorful images suitable for both murals and entertainment. Its reduced fan noise and effective heat dissipation were noticeable, ensuring quieter operation during extended use. While it lacks compatibility with streaming apps like Netflix and Hulu, this product 5. Mini Projector. The Visp LP Mini Projector is the premium option in this lineup, offering native 1080p resolution, a compact design, and an included tripod for easy setup. Its advanced LED technology ensures vibrant visuals, while the built-in hi-fi speakers provide immersive sound. With screen sizes ranging from 35 to 160 inches, it's suitable for a variety of use cases, from mural creation to outdoor movie nights. During testing, the Visp projector impressed with its image quality and portability. The tripod enabled flexible positioning, and the ±15-degree keystone correction ensured